You're welcome, sir.
Thank you very much.
My name is Success. What's your name?
My name is Someone.
S&S. Have you heard of the new Grok features?
Yes, now. It beats ChatGPT hands down.
Oh, wow. So glad we could connect.
Absolutely. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. Let's make it happen. Grok just released a powerful new feature, and honestly, it is changing everything. With this Grok AI new feature, you may not even need ChatGPT the way you used to anymore. Right now, let's explore the Grok AI app together. I'm going to show you how it works step by step, and I will also show you how to use Grok to create an avatar video, just like me. Avatar that can talk, lip sync, move, teach, and present anything you want. Do you know Success? She will show you everything right now. Here she is.
I know you enjoyed this video, and right now I'll be showing you how to create your own AI avatar that is talking, moving, and doing anything that you want. Can be cooking, telling stories, and anything. So let's dive into the video.
Grok just released a new feature, and guys, let's explore this. And also I'll be showing you how to create an avatar that can talk, move. So if you are doing a faceless channel, or even if you want to do a promote your business, do advert for a business, you can use this same avatar video to do exactly what you want. So if you need the prompts for this video, simply comment "I need it please." Comment "I need it please," and I will organize the prompt just like I always do and post on my channel. But if not, of course I won't. So this is Grok right here. So right here, right now, you can use voice notes. This is it. So let me ask Grok a question right now, so that you see that you no longer need ChatGPT. Right now you can do everything inside of Grok. You can ask Grok questions, get your faceless ideas, get your prompts from Grok. It can even read videos. Okay, you can use this speak, choose video right here, and then ask your tell Grok to what is this video, what is that, or everything. So you no longer need any other extra thing. You no longer need ChatGPT, any other chat box. Grok has chat box. Grok has everything. Like, so let me ask question. Let me get the video idea that I'll be doing right now, because I don't know the type of video, image that I will do, or the story that we are telling right now here in this video. Okay, so I'll click here and speak. We no longer need to use ChatGPT, not again. So hi. So right now I want to make a talking video. I will get the idea right now and the prompt. I will generate the images. So right now I want to make a presentation. It should be about food. Now the lady, it should be a beautiful lady, a Nigerian lady, of course. She should be talking about food. Food is good, and you should eat for as a human being. You should eat twice. You have no business eating 3 times a day as an adult. All right, so just a short presentation about food. Okay, so right now I just gave Grok my ideas. I just poured out everything. Let's see what Grok can be able to do for us. It's thinking harder. That is good. Okay, so it says a ready-to-use script for a Nigerian lady to say, short, natural, and persuasive. Okay, so you see, hi, I'm Ada, and today I want to talk about something we all love: food. Food is good for the body, and so this is too long. Okay, it also gave us prompt. Okay, so right now we have gotten our prompt. I'll go ahead to copy the prompt, and now I will use it to generate image later. But I still do not want this. I want it to be in 4 paragraphs. Okay, just 5 sentences each. Is it sentences or lines? I don't know. Okay, so I want only the what the person will be saying, the talking script, exactly 10 to 20 seconds, and I want you to break it into 7 seconds each prompt, so it can be like 7 seconds, 7 seconds, 7 seconds. All right, so right now Grok is doing everything. Even if I want to add an image right now, I will add an image. Okay, of course you need to understand that to generate images you need to put it to imagine, but if you want to use the ChatGPT part of Grok, all you just need to do is to leave it on ask. It's always on ask. You don't need to put it to imagine. All right, look at this video right now. This is how yours should look, and you interact with Grok. Right, so this is it. Segment 1. Hi everyone, I'm Ada. Food is so good for us. It gives us energy, strength, and pure joy to life. Okay, so this is it right here. I have broken it into 7 seconds each for me. Okay, so this is it right here. So right now I already have the prompt to generate the image. Let's go to Imagine. Let's get our image right here. So I will paste my image prompt, and of course you have to leave it in image right here, okay, and send it. Let's see the image that Grok will give us. Let's see how it looks. This is beautiful. Wow. Oh my goodness, but I want it to be on YouTube size. Let me see. Oh wow, I love this. I will save it. Okay, this is the prompt right here. Then I will go back to, I saved the one that I love. I'll go back to Grok. I'll import the image right now and still use voice notes. Okay, I love this image, but I want you to give me the one that is in 16:9. Okay, so it will regenerate this image right here. Let's see if Grok can be able to give us a 16:9 image. It didn't work out. As you can see, Grok cannot generate a 16:9 image yet, but hopefully they are doing very well and they can be able to fix this. With this right now, I will use this particular one that it gave us right here to make a video. Of course, it already gave us prompts that I will use. Hi everyone. I don't really present hi everyone. I will tweak this prompt, but let's get our image. Let's animate and make it talk. Let's see how good Grok is right now. Honestly, these images look so beautiful. I don't know if I'm just, but tell me, what, rate this image, rate this Grok image from 1 to 100. I think it's, let me rate it 60, but it looks beautiful, realistic. 60 is too small, but let me know in the comments. Rate it and let me know in the comments.
Hello, welcome. I'm so happy you're here to enjoy this wonderful food with me. It's made with love and fresh ingredients. Hello, welcome.
And it's already animated this, and the lip sync. Oh my goodness. Hi God. You see Grok, the lip sync, magical. It can lip sync, but of course I will do this in Nigerian voice. I will do this in a Nigerian voice. So I will say real Nigerian natural voice. Natural voice. Okay, I'll also add confident. Okay, I will bracket the confident. I'll bracket the confidence. Bold, friendly. Okay, she shouldn't have a strong face. I better be, you know, friendly tone. Let me add tone and then brackets closes with this right here. Hi everyone, I'm Amarachi. Food is so good. Food is very essential to us. Okay, so this right here, I just had to, I will copy this because I'll be using it as we go on and on. So I'll paste it right here. Let's see how Grok's natural voice. I'll also use Pidgin. I will prompt it in Pidgin. Let's see how it will do. Okay, so first let's use good English. Second one will be Pidgin, and third one of course will be Igbo. Engage Igbo. Let's see if Grok can speak Igbo.
Hi everyone, I'm Amarachi. Food is very essential for us. It gives energy, strength, and pure joy to life. Hi everyone, I'm Amarachi. Food is very essential for us. It gives energy, strength, and pure joy to life.
All right, so right now let me add Pidgin. Let me say hi. Let me say hey success. Hey success. You sabi chop o. You sabi chop o. You sabi chop o. Your own too much o. Your own too much o. Everything no be gra gra. Everything no be gra gra. Hey, if Grok can be able to do this one, okay, your own too much, not too much o. So with this right now, I will of course send. Let's see Grok speaking Pidgin, and after this Pidgin, Grok AI will still speak Igbo. Let's rate it. Of course, I will still play this video one after the other for you to rate Grok from 1 to 10. All right.
Hey success. Use for the chopo. All too much. Everything no be gra gra.
Grok speaks something else, or is it me that didn't prompt it very well? Hey God. And it was even speaking so beautiful that she doesn't even want to ruin her makeup. Okay, since it can, let me not even try going to speak Igbo, or let me try, let me see what it can do. So this is how you make it to say something in English. You can see the English version is very good, all right, but let me use Igbo. Amarachi kime, or let me say Amara. Amarachi ka imere. Ka imere mommy magi onoya magi Onoya should be like this. Aho adechakwa unu. Aho ade. Okay, let me say adekwa unu so that Grok won't be confused. Aho adekwa unu. Adekwa unu mma. Okay. So aho adekwa unu mma. Okay, so right now let's see what Grok okay, I will say real Nigerian natural Igbo voice. Igbo, let me add Igbo here. Igbo voice, okay, and I will send. Let's see what Grok can do. Okay, all right, so right now Grok is done with the Igbo with the Igbo script that I gave it to talk. Let's ndi Igbo on this house. If you are an Igbo person, let's rate this.
Amarachi kaime magionoya ihu odikomo oma. Amarachi kaime magionoya ihu odikomo oma.
I don't understand.
Amarachi kaime magionoya ihu odikomo oma.
Maybe I should make a Yoruba and Hausa version. You know what? Just if you're an Hausa person, give us something that you can say. Okay, I need a Hausa prompt and Yoruba prompt as well. I will make another series showing you different languages, and this time I will bring quality this thing. Maybe it's because of things that made it. So I will take out time to prompt it and show the Hausa version. Even if any other language, just let me know in the comment section and I'll make a video of Grok speaking different languages. All right, and now I don't know this Igbo. Let me listen to it again.
Amarachi kaime magionoya ihu odikomo oma.
And the thing is, it's even laughing, as if she know what she said is wrong, so she's even laughing at herself. No problem. So please, if you're an Igbo person or you understand Igbo, rate this from 1 to 10. I don't even want to rate it. All right, so this is how you make your talking avatar here on Grok AI. With the new features, you can get everything and build an avatar for yourself. All right, listen. So now start creating, start advertising your videos, start advertising your business, whether you are selling clothes, anything that you want to do. You can now use talking avatar to advertise everything, be it food. You can give it food. Okay, she can hold food, she can hold anything. Okay, so now you know how to create a talking avatar.
So right now you have everything that you need to create a talking AI avatar for your video. I am Success and I wish you success. I know you love to see me in my next video, so give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. I will see you soon. Bye.